fires have been contained. More than 5,000 hectares in the country's central and southern regions have been destroyed. Central regions including the Santiago metropolitan area, Valparaiso, O'Higgins and Maui are on red alert. Lo veo bastante complicado esto. El fuego llegando acá. The fire has already broken into some areas of small settlements. More than 1,000 houses have already gone to the ground. As the fires edged closer, evacuations were ordered in Melipilla, some 60 kilometers of the capital. More than 10,000 firefighters whose aviation support are involved. Helicóptero, los aviones, no sé. Algo tiene que ser por eso. Y muchos focos de incendio. Forest fires are common around the southern summer season. Lo están aguando, hay mucho viento. Where high temperatures and strong winds held the rapid spread of flames.